Greetings to all my dear kids. Today I welcome you all for the activity session. The activity which we'll be doing today is tic-tac-toe. This activity of mathematics is based upon magic squares. As you all know, magic square is a grid consisting of equal number of rows and columns. As you can see in the background, you must have played this game tic-tac-toe related to cross and circles. Yes. As you can see, what is the difference between rows and column is the vertical column is known as column and the horizontal line is known as rows. So these are the columns and these are the rows. Yes. So these are the square grids, meaning that there are equal number of rows and columns. So this is a 3 by 3 grid, meaning 3 rows and 3 columns. Yes. In this activity, what we have to do is that we have been provided with a square grid with the hint. It says that the sum of this grid is equals to 15. Which says that the sum of the numbers of the entire row and entire column comes out to be 15. So this is a row. So when you will fill the numbers in this row, it should come out to be 15. And when you will fill the numbers in this column, the answer should come out to be 15. And the diagonal sum should also be 15. Diagonals are the opposite vertex joined together. Means this is a diagonal. So when you will add up to all the numbers of the diagonal, it should also come out to be 15. Let us see how. Now, as you know that this was a square grid. Now here, if you notice that this is a number. Now when you were provided with two numbers, that is 5 and 8, so the total of 5 and 8 comes out to be 13. And you know that the sum should be equal to 15. That what should be added in 13 so that the answer comes out to be 15. So that is 15 minus 13, that is 2. So as you can see, the number written with yellow color is the answer for this block. So the 2 is the answer for this block. So as you can see, it adds up to 15. That is 8 plus 5 plus 2. And the same thing is written here as explanation. Yes. Now let us see how it works for all the rows, columns and diagonals. Yes, as you can see, this is the same grid which shows that how the sum of the entire rows, column and diagonal comes out to be 15. And you can check it yourself for any of these columns, rows and diagonals. Yes. So, is it a magic square? Yes, it is. Kids, do you know who discovered this magic square? Benjamin Franklin discovered the concept of magic squares. So now, are you aware with the concept of magic squares? Yes. Now, it is not necessary that you have to fill the numbers from 1 to 9. You can fill any number as per the requirement or as per the condition given in the question. But keep in mind that you always have to work out according to the question given. That is, if the sum is equals to 15, so you have to find out the answers according to that. And if they have given sum is equals to 68, then you have to work according to that. So I hope it works for you. Now, there are few questions which I would like you to try as your home task. So are you prepared? So let us see, can you do it or not? So here it goes.
Level 1 for beginners.
So now you have to solve the square 1, and after solving square 1 you have to solve square 2. Once you clear this level, you move to the second level.
Level 2 Intermediate level.
Now in this level again you have been provided with two squares. So after solving square 1 with sum is equals to 42, you move to square 2 whose sum is equal to 150. Once you clear this level, you move to the third level, that is
Level 3 Hard level.
Now here you have been provided with only square 1, whose sum is equals to 68. Now I hope you have been able to solve all the questions given as home task.
Congratulations, you did it.
Hope you enjoyed this activity session. Keep going and keep learning. Thank you.